Hey guys, it's LILAK STYLZtas here again and welcome back to the channel. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for stopping by. Kindly click the subscribe button for great and amazing content. In today's DIY project, I'm going to be showing you guys how to transform a normal collar neck shirt into this crop top I'm wearing. So guys, if you want to see how I'm going to go about this, definitely keep on watching. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video and find this video very helpful and useful. Do not forget to let me know down in the comment section below what you think about this hack. To my new subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. Kindly click the subscribe button for more great and amazing content. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.